Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Quick English. I'm Zado, and I'm very happy you are here today. Please relax, sit comfortably, and listen carefully. This is a slow English listening and shadowing practice. You can repeat after me to improve your speaking. Today's topic is 5 habits that can change your life. Simple habits. Small actions. Big results. Let's begin. Habit number 1. Wake up early. Waking up early gives you a fresh mind. The morning is quiet and peaceful. No stress. No noise. When you wake up early, you have time for yourself. You can think clearly. You can plan your day. You can study or read. Imagine waking up before sunrise. The air is cool. Everything is calm. You drink water or tea and start your day slowly. Repeat after me. I start my day early and peacefully. Again. I start my day early and peacefully. Habit number 2. Read every day. Reading makes your mind stronger. You learn new ideas and new words. Even 10 minutes a day is powerful. You don't need difficult books. Start simple. Start small. When you read daily, your English improves. Your thinking improves. Imagine sitting near a window, reading a simple book, feeling calm. Repeat after me. I read every day to improve my mind. Again. I read every day to improve my mind. Habit number 3. Practice English daily. Consistency is the key. Not once a week, but every day. Even 15 minutes is enough. Listen, repeat, shadow. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Every expert was once a beginner. Imagine yourself speaking English confidently in the future. Traveling, working, communicating freely. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. Again. I practice English every day. Habit number 4. Move your body. Your body and mind are connected. Walking, stretching, or light exercise can change your mood. You feel more energy. You feel more alive. Even a 10-minute walk is enough. Imagine walking outside in the morning, fresh air, calm mind. Repeat after me. I take care of my body every day. Again. I take care of my body every day. Habit number 5. Think positively. Your thoughts are powerful. If you say, I can't, your mind believes it. If you say, I can improve, your mind grows. Be kind to yourself. Be patient. Growth takes time. Like a plant. You don't see results in one day, but every day it grows. You are the same. Repeat after me. I believe in myself and my future. Again. I believe in myself and my future. So my friends, today we learned 5 simple habits. Wake up early. Read daily. Practice English. Move your body. Think positively. Small habits, repeated daily, can change your life completely. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep going. Keep improving. This is Zado from Quick English. See you next time.